Malaysia 2025 MotoGP Grand Prix Podium Ceremony. Please welcome to the podium the winner of the Constructors' Trophy, Carlo Mellini, Commercial Director of BK8 Gresini Racing MotoGP. In third place, Juan Mir of Honda HRC Castrol. In second place, Pedro Acosta, Red Bull KTM Factory Racing. And today's winner, Alex Marquez of BK8 Gresini Racing MotoGP. Ladies and gentlemen, we now invite Mr. Norafiza Matsaat, Vice President, Group Strategic Relations and Communications, Petronas, to present the winning Constructors' Trophy to Carlo Mellini, Commercial Director of BK8 Gresini Racing MotoGP. Ladies and gentlemen, may I invite Mr. Giovanni Copioli, FIM Vice President, to present the third place trophy to Juan Mir of Honda HRC Castrol. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Datin Anita Azrina Abdulaziz, Chairman of Petronas Sepang International Circuit, to present the second place trophy to Pedro Acosta of Red Bull KTM Factory Racing. And the moment we've been waiting for, may I now invite Yang Amat Berhormat Dato' Seri Dr. Ahmad Zahid bin Hamidi, the Deputy Prime Minister of Malaysia, to present the first place trophy to